the best question of this chapter, I can say. We have an equilateral triangle ABC, and we are taking a point D on side BC such that BD is 1/3 of BC. So let us try to solve this. The question is like this: we have triangle ABC which is equilateral. Let us call it A, B, and C, and we have to take one point here D, which is in such a way that BD is 1/3 of BC. Means the D point is just the third part of BD is third part of BC. So this is what we can write here. Now for solving this question, we'll be needing a perpendicular over here. So let us draw a perpendicular. Suppose I draw a perpendicular on this. So this perpendicular will be, suppose let us call it M. Here this perpendicular is midpoint of BC. As you know that the altitude divides the base. Altitude from vertex on base BC will be the midpoint in equilateral triangle. So we can write here, first thing is this is equilateral triangle, so AB is equals to BC is equals to CA. Second thing, here BM is nothing but BC by 2, or we can say all the sides divided by 2. Third thing, we have very important relation, that is BD is BC by 3 here. BD is BC by 3. Now if I want to calculate the value of DM, अगर मैं यहाँ पर DM की वैल्यू निकालना चाहूँ तो वो क्या आएगा? DM is nothing but BM minus BD, and BM is, we have written here BC by 2, so we can write it as BC by 2 minus BD. BD is 1/3 of BC, so BC by 3. If we solve this, what we get? The LCM is 6, cross multiply this, we are getting 3BC minus 2BC here. So this is BC divided by 6. So DM is coming out to be BC upon 6. So DM is this value. Now let us come to the main situation now. So this result we will be using somewhere in the proving of this result, which is 9AD square is equals to 7AB square. Now look at the result. AD is this and AB is this. So we'll be using two triangles which are right angles here. So let us consider them one by one. I am taking triangle ABM at first, which is a right angle triangle. Here clearly AB is hypotenuse, so AB square is equals to AM square plus BM square. This is the first equation over here. Now if we take the other triangle, that is AMD, ADM, let us suppose, in this the hypotenuse is AD square and the perpendicular is again AM square and the base is DM, so DM square. This is second result. Now if I subtract these two equations, what we will get? In LHS we will be getting AB square minus AD square. AB square minus AD square is equals to AM and AM will be subtracted and cancelled. So here we have BM square minus DM square. इस रिजल्ट को देखें, जो हमको प्रूव करना है उसमें AB और AD दोनों हमको चाहिए. तो ये तो यूजफुल रिजल्ट है. RHS को हमको एलिमिनेट करना है. तो इसके एलिमिनेशन के लिए हमारे पास दोनों ही वैल्यू हमने कैलकुलेट करके रखी है, DM एंड BM. Both are available with us. BM is BC by 2 and DM is BC by 6. So let us use this result. AB square minus AD square is equals to BM is BC by 2. So I am writing BC by 2 whole square minus DM is BC by 6. So let us write it as BC by 6 whole square. Now simplify this. RHS, LHS is as it is. So this is BC square by 4 minus BC square by 36. If you take the LCM, this will come out to be 36. So when we write this, we'll be getting 9bc square minus bc square. So the result is coming out to be 8bc square upon 36. If you divide it by 4, this will be 2 times and this will be 9 times. Now, when we look at this result, what we are getting, AB square minus AD square is equals to 2BC square upon 9. This is the result. Now, in the required result, we do not have BC side. So, that can be eliminated with AB, as this is equilateral triangle. So, in place of BC, we can write AB. So, AB square minus AD square is equals to 2 upon 9. In place of BC, we can write AB square because this is an equilateral triangle. Bring it here, we'll be getting AB square. This will be minus 2 upon 9 AB square, and this AD will go to RHS, that is AD square. Now let us take LCM here, 9. So if we cross multiply this, we'll be getting 9 AB square minus 2 AB square and AD square. If you subtract, you will be getting 7 AB square upon 9 is equals to AD square. And when you just shift this to 9 to RHS, you will be getting 9 AB square is equals 7 AB square is equals to 9 AD square, and this is what we wanted to prove. This is nothing but 9 AD square is equals to 7 AB square, which we wanted to prove. So this is the really important question based on Pythagoras theorem. So we can say in solution of certain question on Pythagoras theorem, this theorem is really important, and the main application of this you will see in the trigonometry chapter, where you will be using the concept of base, perpendicular and hypotenuse.